Good morning, jungle! And good morning to me, the most beautiful bird in the whole forest! You're loud for such a small creature.
And you're talkative for a creature so high up.
Who asked you? Oh, hello there, Mr. Big and Scary. I mean, Mr. Stripes? Wait, you don't even have orange stripes.
I am Shadow, and you are disturbing the peace.
Disturbing? I call it improving. This jungle needs energy. Okay, that's too much water. I can't swim that well. Help! Ah, it's rising! Help me! Help! I don't want to become fish. You saved me. I thought tigers only save lunch for later.
Even the loudest voice deserves to be heard tomorrow.
Wise words. We should listen.
Indeed, wisdom comes in many forms.
Onward then. Does that mean we're friends?